this module, learn how to enter materials against a project. Head to Materials under Time, Materials and Expenses to create a material entry. We've got two options here, New Material and New Planned Materials. Click on New Planned Materials and select a project. As we planned these two materials in the initial quote for this project, they appear here. Select them to create a material entry and enter the dimensions if applicable. Tick Items Require Purchasing to add them to the order queue. You can also enter a new material that wasn't planned. Choose your project, search for the material used, add the quantity and dimensions if relevant, click Purchase Order Required and save.